Hey guys, it's Charlie. It's a beautiful day. Today we are eating with two friends. Let's say hi.
Yeah, hello, how are you?
What's your name?
My name is Dien.
Hi. What's your name?
My name is Bao.
And what are we doing today?
We are go to the countryside, the Ba Vy National Park, and we are the first time we are try the noodle. You know the leg of the pork and papaya and tomato.
Yeah, this is the vegetarian one.
Yes.
And this is the meat one. This is my first time trying this dish. It looks and smells delicious. It has some pineapple, noodles, tomato, looks like cilantro and onions maybe. How is it?
It's amazing. Rất ngon. Sorry, I am.
Alright guys, let's try it.
Yeah.
He's already started. I've been taking pictures. That's how it is. Usually I take pictures and then finally I eat. Okay, let's try the broth first.
Yeah.
It's really good. I like that they put pineapple. The pineapple is good.
This food they make in the north and the south. You know of the rib, very famous in the north, and pineapple and the vegetable, very famous.
Do you know how long they have to cook the ribs in the soup?
They bought in the night, and they cook. I think it's 6
Overnight,
hours.
yeah.
6 hours with the rib and with vegetable.
That's a long time.
A long time.
I like the fresh vegetables they put inside. What is this meat?
I think
pig?
the finger of the pork.
Oh yeah.
We are try eat the finger because in the future very good for the leg.
Like if you have a leg pain?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's very good for the people they tired at the leg. Can understand why in the Vietnamese they eat everything because we don't care.
Yeah. Now that my stomach is full, it's back on the bikes we go. How much of a drive do we have? How much longer?
I think 1 hour and a half.
Okay.
So we are ride 50 kilometers.
Okay.
same in the North Vietnam.
The lemon is really good. Cheers. This is a nice little coffee stop. I have my tea. There's a nice little environment here. It's very colorful, very my style. And I love tea, so it's perfect. You guys love coffee? You like coffee?
I love coffee.
We have some nice Vietnamese music playing in the background, so it's a nice little environment to relax before we head back on the road.
Of the natural in Vietnam, a long time we have of the pagoda in the mountain. You know, buffalo in the field culture in Vietnam, the woman and with the man and the woman, they talk a chỉ phèo and tí nở. The woman very ugly and the man very ugly and he not handsome. But the woman they cook of the soup and they have the man eat the soup. Yes, you remember.
And does he fall in love with her?
Yes, they fall in love and they live in the I think a long time we have a bungalow. You know bungalow, the house very poor people.
Yeah.
No, nothing in the house.
So this tells the story of the Vietnamese culture. I love that.
Sometimes if you don't have money, you need to find up the man.
I will make a soup and be careful if you eat my soup. This is exactly where I needed to be. In nature. We're heading to the top now. going up the stairs. And I love how this tree is just like in the middle. Nature, gotta love it. Gotta get my workout on. Today is a national holiday, so there are many people here today. I love the feel of this area because right now it's really foggy and I've never really walked through nature in a foggy time, so it's just really, it feels like I'm in a movie or a storybook. Guys, look at all of this moss. It's so beautiful. How is this place even real? It's so beautiful. It's kind of sad that we question if, you know, this is real. Like, nature is really beautiful. So beautiful that we even question if it's real. If you needed a workout, a nice view, and just to get away from the city life and everything, this is the place to be. It's wonderful. We can do it! We can do it!
Come on, come on.
We can see the top from here. Woo! I'm sweating, but I did good. Actually, I thought I was gonna be like really bad and have to take a lot of breaks, but I didn't even need a break. Woo. I'm sweating. If you guys need a good place to take nature photos, this is really a good spot. Lots of greenery. The steps are even beautiful. It's just nice. Really nice. Anyone have trypophobia? If there were more holes in that leaf, it would really bother me. But it's not too bad. Hello. Hi. By the way, if you guys don't want to be weirded out, don't Google trypophobia if you don't know what it is and you don't want to be disgusted. I have trypophobia. It's like a fear of holes. Random, but yeah. There's so much fog. You can actually see it coming in.
Yeah, it's top mountain.
This is the top of the mountain.
Yeah.
How are you feeling? Good? Woo. Thank you. This is a great trip. We're on top of the world. Don't fall. I'm sweating.
Charly khỏe, không thấy mệt.
You are strong.
Oh, thank you. Strong.
No tired.
I'm not tired. I actually have more energy now. It was really good. A good little hike up. Here's my sweat. If you guys would like a tour, I'll have the link for his information in the description box. Yeah, he does some really fun tours. So like if you want to go driving a little bit in the countryside in the motorbike, I can't even speak. If you want to go to the countryside, yeah, all of his information.
I am in the area, and the people they live in the center. My friend in the Vietnamese girl, and he live in the Hanoi.
Wait, who?
You.
Oh, me. I was like, what?
Yes. And my friend live in the Thai. People in the north.
Yeah.
Yes. Amazing. We are meet together and we are taking a video and we are show of the people in the countryside. The tour local tour with the meet the local people.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you do food,
Yeah.
like tours for
Yeah.
special locations.
Yes.
And the fun thing is driving with
Yeah,
him. Yeah,
yeah.
it's fun.
It's fun.
Yeah.
And this fun with my friend.
Yeah.
And with you. And we can talk of the Vietnamese language.
Yeah.
Xin chào.
So if you want like language exchange,
Yeah.
kind of, you can teach him English.
Yeah.
He teaches me
Yeah.
Vietnamese. So it's like a fun trip where it's
Yeah.
relaxed. You're not
Yeah.
studying, but it's
Yeah.
like if you want to know how to say something in Vietnamese.
Yeah.
It's a nice little cultural exchange.
Yeah. Thank you.
A big layer of fog came in, and it just felt like I was being cleansed by nature. It was so nice. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already and like the video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Where can you find weed? Can you find it?